Yeah,
small
like
kittens.
what does it happen?
Because first they try to play with their feet,
Yeah.
and also they have. You can see they have
Really
a long
sharp?
nails as well. Very sharp.
Yeah.
nails. Though the sad thing is we can see the outward eye.
We can't see.
Yes, we can see. You should know.
Oh my, it's red.
Yes, it has
Oh,
severe
no.
conjunctivitis. So first,
Oh.
I will give you some eye
Oh,
drops.
that's terrible.
So I will give you some eye drops. So I can give it now.
Yeah.
Then you buy it. Then later, after 7 days, let's see if the eyes is functioning well. Because most of the time, the eyes have ulceration or some wound on the eye. We call
Right.
it ulcer or corneal ulcer. But this time we can see it because of the severe conjunctivitis. We need to
Right, I
start-
never saw red before. I did get her eye open a couple days ago, and pus came out.
Then,
right?
yes. Second, after we give some eye drop, we will give also some vitamins and immune booster to prevent.
Good. Good. And I'll just shove it in her mouth because
Yes.
she's not eating solid food yet.
Yes. The multivitamins was face type. Then the immune booster is suspension or shield.
Okay.
Ano na yun? Mainit. There's no.
I can't imagine how painful that would be for her.
I will give some item with some pain medication. The item
Okay,
medication.
that'd be awesome.
That's still perhaps.
Okay.